Courtney and I are redoing our engagement here because the view is actually beautiful. Do you want to reenact it?
No. Can't even see.
Oh yeah, I forgot. You're still short. The ring didn't make you taller.
So I guess our plan for today is, well, we're going to go to Hershey Gardens here, which we are here right now. And I guess we're going to find the Ferris wheel and the old roller coasters, which we did not see
they're running.
yesterday. Are they running?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's running.
Well, they're probably testing.
Yeah.
If it's on there.
But yeah, we don't have to worry about losing stuff on that except our lives.
Yeah.
This place though is like actually beautiful except for the tick and piss grass right next to us. This is, if I would have known it looked this good, I would have done it right here. Hershey Garden. Welcome to the White Springs Hotel. This is so pretty. This is way better than the Pittsburgh one.
Yeah.
The Pittsburgh one sucks. There's so much here for a flower place. I feel like it also kind of sucks because the flowers haven't yet like bloomed. I mean, that one has. That one rose. And why didn't you tell me this place is this pretty? Wait a minute.
This isn't a Hannah Mac video.
Yeah, we only do quality content on this vlog. Hey guys, you want to see the Hannah Mac vlog experience? Oh, let me give it to you. We're just gonna do this for the next 20 minutes because I awkwardly hold the camera down so you don't see anything. Oh boy! Children's garden. Whoa! Look at this little fella. It's either his head split wide open.
I think that's his mouth.
It's a weird mouth. Is this lettuce? Oh, it is. It is lettuce. Oh man, I guess I should start planting. Hey, next vlog. Courtney helps Harrison plant. Oh, look at that! That looks exciting. That's science. Science right there, guys. I don't think you do that.
Oh,
It's a heart?
Yeah, look.
Oh, wait. Yeah, just try not to think about all the good spots I could have proposed to you here.
Stop.
Go make some memes. That was great. Okay, now smile and pretend like you're having a good time. Whoa. Hey guys. We're a little lost. There's so much. How many people do you think maintain this? Like things like Turtle Head. I think we found where Bilbo lives. Are we in the Shire, guys? Holy crap. Am I going first? Holy crap. Does me know what this tree's called? We're gonna grow in our backyard.
It's not a weeping willow. It's
No, it's got like...
leaves.
Oh, they're fuzzy. They're like soft too. Yeah. They're like kind of fuzzy-ish.
Ooh.
I think this is the Lorax flower. Do you hear them?
Here.
Yeah. Want your picture next to the butterflies?
The pineapple.
I know.
I love this one.
With the rainbows?
Yeah.
They're hatching. I thought they were all dead. No, they're just hatching. That's kind of cool, actually. Yeah. What? Hey, the stick bugs. I like how they just don't have like all their legs either. What does this thing even do? Like, what's this?
Chills out.
What's its purpose?
Takes out.
We're back to America's favorite place, Starbucks. But the park did just open like
15 minutes
15
ago.
minutes ago, so we're gonna try to actually ride a roller coaster.
We'll see what happens.
You're too short.
I know.
Courtney and I just found the whole new part of the park. This orange roller coaster, the Twister of Death, is closed. You look very hot.
I am. Chicky and Pete's, home of world famous crab.
We might have to try it. We did try a frozen banana.
We did. That was good.
Courtney and I are in a whole new world. You know, maybe if the park wasn't shaped like the letter T, we wouldn't have this issue. So we rode the Wildcat. That's not what I remember it was. We just got off the Wildcat. I'm pretty sure I may have damaged the Antonio ZV-1. It almost flew out of my pocket. It appears to be fine, but yeah.
My butt flew off the seat and I was afraid my phone was gonna fall out of my pocket.
Wait, you want to go now?
No.
We go. Not a bad ride. Just don't bring anything in your pockets, no matter what pocket it is in.
Because you will have anxiety.
You will have anxiety that you just broke your device rather than having fun. Oof. Courtney and I just found out something. We just have too much anxiety, I think, to go on roller coasters now. This ride, as small as it is,
It jerks you around. Nobody's business.
Nothing screams excitement like you're gonna just veer off a turn and just die.
We also probably should have sat on the same side.
Yeah.
I think that gave me a lot of anxiety when we were making like left turns. I was like, oh shit, we're just gonna fall.
Am I too old?
I think, are we too old to ride
Roller coasters? We're just too scared. I'm not sure if this is just like here, but I've never felt so much anxiety when you just get on a ride, close it, and they're like, go, there's no safety check. It's kind of terrifying.
It is kind of anxiety inducing.
Like, all right, yeah, you're just in. Oh, is this all right? Yeah, sure, just hold on to legs by. Like, holy, it's fast, but it's also like, I feel like I'm gonna die. What happened?
I got a little sick, but I think I'm okay now.
It's all right. Let's just take it easy. We're in no rush.
Ferris wheel time.
Ferris wheel time. Oh boy. Oh boy, there's a wasp. Hey there, little boy. Oh boy, he's making. Did you see me running? Oh boy. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you.
Oh boy.
Next up, the Ferris wheel. We're at the top of the Ferris wheel. It's pretty wild. I'm kind of having heightophobia. What the hell is that shit called?
Fear of heights.
Yeah, what's that called?
I don't know.
Oh god, I don't wanna. There's the water world, guys. There's like a guy up there doing some things. Yeah. Looks like he's got a giant camera or something. Okay, we're going down. Okay, I got my panic. Win is big. Oh, he did. He got us big. He got a 5. 8. That's an even number. He did it. I'm gonna be honest, I kind of wish we got like the Reese's Cup guy.
I know, sorry.
I paid $5 for it though. Was it fun?
Yeah.
Did you have fun though?
Yeah.
I was about to say, you got 8 and we got a prize worth 3. I don't understand Plinko.
Understand either.
Honestly, we should just give that to a little kid. I'm not even kidding.
We could.
You want to?
Okay, thanks so much. Yeah.
I tried.
He did. Courtney tried. What are we riding? We got this. Legend. Courtney and I just did this thing.
Cup fusion.
I think I got it. I got first, Courtney got second. That's
Yeah.
because we're sweats. We play Roblox on a daily basis. So it only made sense that we won. Oh,
Going the wrong way.
where are we going? Pretty decent. We are done. Oh geez, it's so zoomed in. We are done at the park. Now we're gonna go get these really fancy milkshakes.
Yep.
Any thoughts?
Oh boy.
Oh boy. Goodbye, Hershey Park. Grab it. Reese's ice cream and chocolate milkshake. Classic American. As much as I want to, I could not get it. Honestly, I like this better than the park sign.
After Milton's 4-year-old sister Serena died of scarlet fever in 1867, his parents separated.
Wave. Oh, I thought you were flipping me off. I'm like, what?
Milk and Hershey declared caramel just a fad and chocolate the future. Was
Oh
he
boy,
right?
we're out of batteries.
American caramel.
That's a really good candy bar design. Are you an artist? Are you a local artist? Man, guys, look, we actually made it to the actual Hershey plant.
The battery's dead.
49 made a stop here. This is Palmdale Park. This is where it happened 1 day ago currently. This is where I proposed to her. Palmdale Park when we show our kids. And they're like, why did you do it in the middle of this park? Oh boy.
Hi.
Oh boy. Alright, so this is the end of the final day. We're done pretty much. We got everything. We actually did everything, surprisingly.
Yeah, we did everything that we planned on doing, wanted to do, yeah.
So tomorrow's just packing up and leaving and train ride.
Yep.
More fun of that.
Might get some train station vlogs.
We're gonna get some awesome horseshoe shots of the world famous train horseshoe.